Hi guys, this is my first Game Maker tutorial. What I'm just going to be doing today is making a top view space fighter. So what I've done, I've got just a spaceship, and I put its origin right between the parts of it that look like the thrusters, so that it rotates there, makes it look realistic. You want to click precise collision checking so that it precisely checks collision. Then I want you to create an object and name it obj player. Sorry, just got a bit of a cough. Give it the player sprite, and in the step event get out some code. And the easy way to open up one of these things is just to right click it. It sends it to the bottom and opens it up. So what you want to say is image angle equals direction equals point direction. Oops, hang on. So point direction x, y, mouse underscore x and mouse underscore y. Okay, so if you do that, it will make the front of the image point to where the mouse is, so you can use that to aim and shoot. So let's test that out. I'll just go create a room. Don't bother changing the name. Well, that's the only object I have. And run the game. Just let it compile. And it points towards the mouse. Because you see, it looks quite realistic how it moves between the thrusters, like in real spacecraft. That's where the turn would come from, I think anyway. So let's add some basic movement. So back in here, just go, and oh, hang on. If you put a double / there, everything after it in that line will be highlighted green, so you can just use that, and it doesn't have anything to do with the code. It just tells you what the code after it does, so it's a good way to organize. You say if keyboard check pressed. Oh no, wait, keyboard check ord and then W and then sorry, speed equals 5, and then you can just copy that. Oh wait, sorry, and then say -5 check ord S. So let's test that. Oh, and before I do, you might want to add friction, so it doesn't just keep moving and go off the screen. Friction. Let's run. and it follows the mouse. you can increase that speed, but I find it's easier because later on in the game it's going to make it quite complex. You might want to increase that to 60 just so it makes it a bit faster. So it just makes it a bit faster. And if you press S, it goes backwards. W forwards, S backwards, and you can turn. Alright, so now as you can see here, I've also got another image. It's just a laser. You want to precise collision checking and create a new object. Just name this laser and give it the laser sprite. And then what we can do in here, in the global left pressed, global left pressed means you can click anywhere in the room and it'll run this action. But if you just do left pressed, you have to actually click on the instance for it to run this. Then you want to say instance, obj laser. So that's just simple shooting code. And in here, in the create event, you want to say move towards point. So this will make it move towards the mouse and not just stay where it is. And speed 25. Oh, oops. So let's test that out. So look, you can move around, and if you click, you shoot. So that's it for today. See ya.